Hello, everyone. This is Austin here at Kanban Yoga in Springfield, Oregon. This is the second part of my mindfulness workshop series. And today we're going to be doing a mindful breathing exercise. And this one kind of builds a little bit upon the past exercise, which was a body scan. So we'll go ahead and get started with that exercise. Once again, you can start seated down in a chair or cross-legged, or you can lay down on your mat, whatever is comfortable for you. What's really more important that you just find a nice, easy, relaxed position to start off in. Once you find that position, just allow the eyes to close. Take a moment to tune into the body. Just notice any general sensations, any parts of the body that are against the ground, or against the back of a chair, against the mat. First, start to tune in what's going on outward, picking back up on any sounds you're able to hear. Then start to drop back into the physical body. Notice any points of sensation that are particularly calling out to you in this moment within the body, whether or not there are particular parts of the body that are especially sore, tight, tense in this moment. Trying to invite a little bit more ease into that body, whether that's relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the neck, the feet, the hands. Just taking a moment for just a quick, dirty body scan, starting from the toes. Notice what you're able to pick up, moving through the legs, to the hips, the back, belly, chest, back of the neck, facial muscles, all the way to the crown of the head. To see what you were able to notice, what you were able to pay attention to, pick up on. Where your thoughts might be leading you in this moment, any emotions you might be feeling coming up for you. So I need to develop a deeper connection with the breath here. First, start to bring your awareness to the part of the body that moves with the breath. The belly and chest. Don't try to change anything about the breath just yet. Just notice how it's moving in and out. Really just imagine you're a scientist in this moment and you really want to figure out everything that you possibly can about this breath. How does it move the body? How deep is the breath? How long are your inhales and exhales? Whether your breath is restricted or it flows easily through the body. And starting to begin a gentle expansion of the breath. On your next inhale, inviting a little bit more oxygen into the belly, into the chest, a bigger expansion outward. And exhale to bring it all back down to the belly, retreat back inwards. Take another inhale. Maybe invite a little bit more oxygen into the belly, into the chest than the last one. And exhale to release it all out. Growing it a little bit more. Inhale. Feel the belly, feel the chest up. Try to reach that edge of your breath where you can't take in any more air. And exhale to release it all out. One more time, just like that. Inhale, fill up belly. chest. Reach your edge of your breath. Feeling that you can't take a possible sip more, and take that extra sip anyways. And exhale, feel the body release back down on your exhale. On this exhale, really try to empty out as much air as you possibly can. Pull in the lower belly, squeeze out air. Feel that natural need to breathe and allow that next inhale to overtake you, that need to take a deep breath in to fill up with oxygen. Reach that edge of your breath. Extra sip in. Exhale, release it all up. Pull lower belly in at the bottom. And yeah. Starting to count out your breaths this time. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And pause. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold at the bottom as we take our next breath, almost imagining that you can see the numbers behind the eyes. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pause. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just continuing these breaths, counting them out, visualizing those numbers. Notice how the breath moves the body here. Exploring how each breath maybe changes things for us physically. Notice where your mind is as you breathe, whether or not you're fully fixated on everything going on with this breath. Whether or not there's points where you find yourself drifting away, thinking about what you have to do this day or anything else that might be coming up at you in your thoughts or also emotions. When you notice that you've kind of drifted away from your breath, coming back, not beating yourself up that you moved away from your breath. It happens. It's this continual process of coming to the breath, counting it out, slowing it down. Distractions will arise. You'll move to something going on in your life. When you notice that you moved away from your breath, come back gently and resume that process, taking those deep round of breath. Continue this process for a few more moments, for as long as you can. Really paying attention to everything that's going on in this moment. More fixated in the breath. Notice those moments when you go off into your mental world. Finishing up one last breath here, maybe your deepest one of your day yet. Really fill up the belly, fill up the chest. Really reach that peak of your breath. Maybe feel the whole entire body rise up. And deep exhale out. Just let the breath go. Allow it to resume into its natural rhythm, moving in and out of the body. Still following that breath the way it's moving naturally. So again, taking inventory of how things may have changed for you from beginning to end. Whether there's any differences in the body, in the thoughts, in the feelings that you're having this day. Taking a moment to tune back into physical sensation, those points of pressure along the body. Any parts of the body that are still calling out to you with a little tension, a little dis-ease. How are you feeling generally in this moment, energy-wise, emotionally-wise? Maybe you start to invite some movement back into the body. Wiggling the fingers. Wiggling the toes. Notice how it feels to move in this moment. And you're ready, you can gently start to blink the eyes open. Notice that readjustment to light around the room. See what's going on around you, what you're able to see in your line of sight. What you're able to hear that's going on in the room. Thank you for joining me in this practice. The light within me honors and respects the light within you. Namaste.